Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My respected brothers and elders and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. If you want, every dua is accepted very soon. Please, the way I am teaching you, make every dua. Before starting any dua, read one time Surah Fatiha and then one time Durood Ibrahimi, the Durood of Salat. Then these beautiful name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Read Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, Ya Kareem, Ya Zal Jalali wal Ikram, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, Ya Hannan, Ya Mannan. And after that, you will make your own dua what you like. One dua over here is recommended for the knowledge, for the rizq, and for every amal, action, deed, what we do, inshallah will be accepted. That dua is this. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan tayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbala. Sadakallahu Mawlana al-Azim. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless your every dua. Jazakallah khair.